The meadow blooms with color as Mia, Jay, and Leo rush onto the scene. Yo, check it! Nature's calling! Jay points dramatically towards a towering oak, its branches reaching for the sky. One big tree, standing tall and proud. Yeah, one. Mia sees two bees fly around a patch of colorful flowers. Two bees buzzing round making honey sounds. The children mimic the bees, flapping their arms and buzzing. Jay kneels by the rocky stream, unearthing 3 stones. 3 stones chillin' by the stream, so clear. 1, 2, 3. Leo points toward the butterfly bush. 4 butterflies dancing in the sun, having some fun. The children imitate the butterfly's flight with graceful arm movements. Mia watches a bird's nest, home to 5 fragile eggs. 5 eggs rest peacefully in the nest. 5 little eggs safe and sound, waiting to be found. Mia chants softly. Jay observes, his gaze drawn to the sky, where 6 fluffy clouds drift lazily. The children lie back in the meadow, fingers dancing in the air as they mirror the clouds above. Jay speaks softly, murmuring, 6 fluffy clouds drifting by, way up high. In the heart of the meadow, the children gather, their youthful exuberance electrifying the air. Mia's voice rings out. 7 stars twinkle at night, shining ever so bright. Jay responds. 8 arms are hugging tight. Everything is all right. Leo chimes in. 9 lives for a cat. Where is my hat? Mia adds. 10 toes tapping on the ground, making a hip-hop sound. The children erupt into a final group dance, their movements mirroring the swelling music, celebrating their counting success.